I don't care. I won't pay until you fix it.
Walao eh, like that also can one meh?
Okay, you come and have a look at this. See, why my domain name is not appearing in Google search.
Boss, you asked me to do web design and development only. This one under SEO one eh. Anyways, it will take time for Google to index new site. There is so many new websites going up every day, so it will take time for Google boss to find it. So, there you have it.
1. Indexing time. You know, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your website's visibility on Google. It takes time for those little Google bots to discover and index new sites. Patience is the name of the game. 2. Crawling schedules. Search engines have specific schedules for crawling websites. They may not crawl every site day, especially for new or less established websites. It might take some time for the crawlers to reach and index your new site.
Now, you see this? Why this domain name got come out in Google?
When is this website completed or go live?
I think around 2020 lor.
Of course lah, so long already, sure Google bots would have found it and indexed it lor.
3. Domain age and authority. Think of it like this. It's as if websites are fine wines. The older ones have more influence. So, as your website gets older, work on making it more influential and you'll see it climb up the search engine rankings. It's like leveling up in the online world.
Give so much reason. I just want result. So how long until Google can find my site?
If fast, could be a few days to weeks. If long, it might even take months eh. We don't control Google one eh.
Talk so much. If one fast, then how to do it?
You can try to make sure you don't block the bots to crawl the site and then submit the domain name from Google console to speed things up lor.
4. Robots.txt file. Now this may sound a bit techy, but bear with me. Speaking of that elusive robots.txt file, sometimes in the maze of website creation we accidentally block those friendly Google bots. Double check that robots.txt file and make sure it's playing nice to give Google the green light to explore your site. 5. Sitemap submission. Lastly, think of it as giving Google a roadmap to your digital masterpiece. Create an XML sitemap and submit through Google Search Console. This will Google to discover your site's structure and index your pages more efficiently. Trust me, it's like them a treasure map.
Okay, give me 2 weeks. Let me verify whether you see it's true or not. If yes, then I'll pay you for the web design and get you to do the SEO.
Okay lah boss, we'll keep in touch.